Hello everyone, Lee Narhi here with NarhiAuctions.com, and here we have today a John Deere 4210 with a loader. It's a 27 horsepower tractor. It's got four-wheel drive, which works. We've tested that out. It's got 3 range in the gearbox, 3 gears in each range and reverse. It's got the sync shift so you can shift on the fly. 1-stick control on the loader bucket. It's got 3-point PTO. John's going to fire it up and drive it around and show you the hydraulic pressure and that kind of thing. Go ahead, John. Great hydraulic pressure on this thing. Three-point going up and down there. Gonna give us a figure 8 or something? John. There we go. Goes forward, goes backwards. Power steering works well. Nice little tractor, really. I think that's about all the features we can show you. Runs and drives fine. Quick attach bucket too. Not sure if I mentioned that or not. Nice clean little 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel. There you have her.